Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an exciting Primark haul for you. We went into Primark this morning. I did a bit of shopping. I also went into B&M, so I've got a few goodies to show you from there. And it's mostly Christmassy bits because they just had so many cute things for Christmas, just kind of decor and gift ideas and everything like that. So I'm going to share with you what I got today. I'm so excited to start decorating as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with the Primark bits first, and then I'm going to get into the B&M things as well. And if you're watching this video, I actually posted a few days ago a come shopping in Primark with me. So if you're curious to see what's in the shops at the moment, and if you maybe just want to come shopping with me for Christmas, then I will leave that video linked in the description box. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to grab things randomly because everything's just kind of chucked in there. Okay, so this is one of the first things that I saw when I went into the shop. So it's one of these little houses. It's kind of ceramic, so cute. It was this one was £4, and yeah, it's just such a simple decor piece, but I feel like if you put it next to maybe like some little Christmas trees and some fairy lights, it looks so nice. It kind of looks like a little, you know, Christmassy town. So I'm really excited to put these maybe on the TV unit that we have downstairs, or on the kind of storage cabinet that we have for toys. I just think it's such a cute piece, and it actually lights up inside as well. So it's got this thing at the bottom, and does it have batteries, or do I need to put some? Oh, it does have batteries. Not sure if you can tell properly, but yeah, how cute does that look? So lovely. Yeah, so this was £4, and then I also got this one, which is very similar, just kind of slightly different shaped, and this one was £3. It's just a little bit smaller, and then this one also lights up as well, and it's got kind of a warm white light, which I really like. I feel like that's the best look for Christmas. So this is what they both look like, so you can tell, you know, the size difference. But yeah, so cute if you put them together. And I've got some Christmas trees as well, which I'm going to share with you in a second. And I think if you put these together with the Christmas trees, oh, so lovely. I'm actually really excited to start decorating now. Yeah, so now going along with that, I got some lights, because you can never have too many lights at Christmas if you ask me. And we do have quite a few from last year, but I just feel like there were a few places where I would have liked a bit more lights. So I'm going to use these obviously for decorating. So I got this pack of 50 LED lights, and these are just indoor ones, and these were £2 for the set of 50 LED lights. How good is that? And it's again the warm white light, so really lovely. I think maybe I'm gonna put this around some garlands, maybe around the staircase. I will be filming a Christmas decorate with me video very soon, so you'll be able to see that coming up soon after you watch this. But yeah, got these, and I also got these ones, which I felt like would look really interesting. I'm actually not sure where I'm going to put these, but they were only £1.50, and they're indoor lights, but they're a strip light. So in the picture it kind of looks like you would put them under the like kitchen cupboards, if you know what I mean. But I think I might want to try and put these. So this is what they look like. I think we have some of these behind our TV unit. If you know our TV unit downstairs, then you know it kind of has this lighting behind it. So that's what we use. We just have some LED strips like this that go behind it, and the LED strips that we have there, we got them from Ikea, and they were obviously a bit more pricey. So I thought I would try this, and I think for this one I'm going to try to put it behind this, like behind the bed, just to kind of make it nice and lighted up there. So I don't know, that's what I had in mind in the shop. So I'm gonna try and see how it looks. If it doesn't look nice there, then I'll just put it somewhere else. But yeah, £1.50 for these, really good. So I'm excited to decorate with these. Next, I got some more hanging decorations for the tree. So I got this pack of 6 decorations, and these are just those pine cones. So cute. They come with a string attached, and they were just £2 for a set of 6. And yeah, these are gonna go in the tree. I actually have a few of these from last year, but I wanted to have more on our Christmas tree just because I feel like it looks so nice. So I got these. They had so many cute decorations as well, and baubles and everything like that, and obviously on a really good price in Primark. And then I got this pack of 8 hanging decorations, but these are just cute little reindeer ones. So lovely. Victor's going to love these. If you have no idea who he is, he's my 4-year-old son. So yeah, this is a pack of 8 for £2.50. Then I got these. So I've actually never seen these before. They're hot chocolate bombs. So that's what they look like. It's kind of like a bobo, like a chocolate bobo, and it's got marshmallows inside. So I guess you're supposed to pour hot milk on it, and it will kind of pop open and get the marshmallows out and have just a nice chocolate. So I don't know, I thought it would be really interesting to do this with Victor. I think he will really love it, but it would also be such a cute Christmas gift idea, and this was £5. And then you guys may or may not know, but we have an artificial Christmas tree, so obviously it doesn't have that scent of a Christmas tree. So I wanted to try these. I've actually never tried pine, like scented pine things for Christmas, so I'm curious to see if these actually smell like a tree would. I'm sure it won't be like the real thing, but at least somewhat similar. So these were just the woodland ones, and it's basically like a tiny reed diffuser, so I thought it would be really good for Christmas. It says it lasts up to 4 weeks, so it should be good for Christmas, and it was 80p. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a go and see what it smells like. I will keep you updated. I'll probably open this when I decorate for Christmas. Okay, now moving on to the bits that I got in B&M. So this is the first thing that I saw, and I just really loved this Christmas tree. So it's just like a little tiny one, and it's got this kind of fake snow on it, and it was £8, this one. So cute. Obviously I'm going to have to straighten it up because it was in a bag, but yes, such a cute little Christmas tree. I feel like this with the little houses next to it would look so lovely, like a tiny little village for Christmas. So I was really excited to find these. They had these in a few different sizes as well, and I'm going to show you one of the other ones too. But yeah, this was £8. And then I got this one, which is basically like 3 little trees on a log. So cute, and they're different sizes, and this was also £8. So I think this will look really lovely on like a side cabinet or something. So yeah, so cute. And I'm going to have that white snow all over the floor. Next, you guys probably know how much I love hinging around the home and just cleaning, and I got this flash spray, and this is just for the home. I think in general, like you can use it on, yeah, you can use it on multiple surfaces. So this is the flash spray in the Frosted Berries scent. So it's supposed to be really nice for the holidays, Christmas, just kind of a bit more festive. So all during December I'm going to be cleaning using this. I actually have no idea how much this one was because I don't have the pricing on these, but yeah, really inexpensive anyway, because yeah, cleaning products are really good in B&M anyways. And then I got this. This was kind of at the till. It was kind of that impulse purchase, but I actually really needed one. It's a candle lighter, so really good because obviously during the holidays you're going to light up more candles, so I just needed another one of these. Next up I got this set for Victor. So these are just some little Christmas decorations that you can paint yourself, so I thought these would be really good. They're just kind of tiny ceramic ones, and they come with the paints as well, and you can just paint them. And Victor's got his little Christmas tree in his room, so he kind of likes to decorate that, and it's got those multicolored lights, and the baubles are in all different colors, so he likes decorating his own little tree. So I thought these would be really cute to go on that as well, and I'm sure he will have a blast doing these. And these were £4, so that's a really good price if you ask me, because you get quite a few in there. It's like 12, I think, 12 decorations. So yeah, got this for him. And then just something super random for cleaning that I just needed. I got one of these Dr. Bachman's carpet stain remover that you guys probably know I use a lot on carpets, on our sofa, everywhere around the home. So I got another one of these because I was running out. And then I also got this Glade Shake and Vac also for the carpet. So you just kind of sprinkle this all around your carpet, leave it for a bit, and then hoover it up, and it smells really, really lovely. So yeah, that's everything that I got in Primark and B&M this time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out the Come Shopping With Me video in Primark and B&M, which will be linked down below as well. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!